today I'm demonstrating the task 7.2D, the research report in the IoT devices. And the system packet tracer, I have created a smart home system that can be operated using either a smartphone or a tablet. And in this network, I have included the IoT devices, the siren, the window, the garage door, the webcam, the thermostat, and the light. These devices can be operated using the smartphone and tablet. We can turn the siren on, we can open the window, we can open the garage door, close the garage door, we can lock the door or unlock the door, we can see a man moving through the webcam, and then we can make the room cold or hot by using the thermostat, and then we can turn the light on using this smartphone or tablet. And in this network, all the devices are connected wirelessly to the home gateway. I have already configured the devices by giving them their IDs and IP addresses. If I go to the home gateway and then I go to the config and then I go to the wireless, you can see that I have given this SSID smart home and then the authentication WPAT-PSK, which is used for encryption, and I have given the password smart password. And these two, this password and the SSID smart home will be used by all these IoT devices and these smartphone and tablet to connect to the home gateway. And if I show you IoT devices and go to the config tag and then wireless 0, you can see that I have given the same SSID as the home gateway and the password as this home gateway to connect to the home gateway. And if I go to settings, you can see that I have chosen home gateway as the internet service. Then I can connect all these IoT devices and the smart devices to the home gateway. The IP addresses are automatically assigned because I'm using DHCP. And if I go to the smartphone and show you the IP addresses, if I go to the IP configuration, because I have chosen the DHCP, it has automatically assigned the IP address, the subnet mask, and for gateway. Then the same for the tablet. I have chosen the DHCP, and also if I show you the configuration, it's DHCP, and then if I with wireless 0, you can see that it's the same SSID as the home gateway and the smart password as the home gateway, so they are connected to the home gateway. If I want to control my IoT devices, I can go to the IoT monitor either in the tablet or the smartphone and control any of these IoT devices. I can just show you now. Now, if I go to the IoT monitor right here, it should be showing all the devices I have connected to the home gateway. It will take some time to load up all the devices. If you wait a few more minutes, yes, as you can see, now you can see that there's a siren, then we can see the light, then there's the thermostat, then we have the door, then we have the webcam, then we have the garage door, then we have the window. So if I go to the light and click on it's turning on the light, and if I can click on dim, then it's going to dim the light, and I can turn it off using the smartphone. Now if I go to the garage door, I can click on this and it's going to open the garage door, as you can see. And if I click on this screen, and it's going to close the garage door. Now if I go to the window, I can open the window, as you can see. Then if I click on the siren, then it's going to turn on the siren. As you can see, the siren has turned red because it's working. Then if I go to the webcam and turn it on, you can see the person moving through the webcam footage. And if I close the smartphone, as you can see, the webcam is still on and it's still displaying the images. And now I can go to the tablet and stop the webcam from working by using the IoT monitor. As you can see, I have all the IoT devices listed here, and because these devices are linked, now you can see the tablet is also showing the image, and then I can turn off the webcam footage using the tablet, which I turned on using the smartphone. Now, if we talk about the MQTT, it is a protocol that has a publish subscribe message transfer design, and it establishes connection with little code footprint and low network bandwidth. We can install MQTT using the user apps manager. If you go to the user apps manager in the device we want to install the MQTT, we can go to the available. You can see I have already installed the MQTT broker and MQTT client. And now if I go to the MQTT broker and I want the smartphone to be the MQTT broker, and then if I turn the service on, I can give a username and password. I will just give admin as the username and then admin as the password. Then if I click add, as you can see, it's been added here, username and password. Now there are still no clients added because I have not added any clients. Now if I move it to this side and go to the tablet and open the MQTT client here, I can add the broker address, which is the smartphone. As the broker address, we add the smartphone's IP address, which is 192.168.25 and 104. Now the username we gave earlier is the admin, and the password we also gave earlier is admin. Now if we connect the MQTT client to the MQTT broker given here, it should if our MQTT protocol is successfully working, it should connect automatically. Now if we go here, as you can see, now there's a client called tablet PCO, which is the device here, and it has, which means our MQTT protocol is successfully working, and we have the two devices connected. Now we can, as I told you earlier, it is a protocol that has a publish subscribe message transport device. So we can make subscriptions in the tablet, and the subscription will be shown in the smartphone if our MQTT is working correctly. Now if I say light on and subscribe, as you can see, this message has shown here. And if I want to do another subscription, let's say Facebook, it should also get added to this smartphone device. As you can see, it has been successfully added. Now if I can unsubscribe within the tablet PC, and it should remove the subscriptions from the smartphone. As you can see, I have done 2 subscriptions, and it is also shown here, and I can select what I want to unsubscribe. If I choose Facebook and unsubscribe, you can see that it has been removed. I can also publish some message. If I say beautiful day with a payout of 500 and publish, then you can see it has published 500 beautiful day with this, and you can see over here at the end with the payout, which is beautiful day. This is the published message we already sent. Now you can see. And if you want to turn this off, we can simply disconnect, or we can simply turn the MQTT broker off. Now I can disconnect, and then I will turn the MQTT broker off. Also, now if you want to see the packets moving from packet transfer from smartphone to tablet, we can simply use the ping, which is, we can just close the MQTT broker. We can go to the command prompt and ping the tablet. Let's ping the tablet, which is the tablets are, we just have to give the tablet's IP address, which is 192.168.25 and 114. Now if we run, it should give me how many packets has been sent and received, and how many have been lost. As you can see, there's 4 sent and 4 has been received, and there's 0 lost packets, which means we have successfully transferred the packets. We can also try the ping from tablet to the smartphone. We just have to use the command prompt and ping the smartphone using the smartphone's IP address, which is 192.168.25 and 104. Now if we run this, we should be getting the how many has been sent and received, and 4. As you can see, we have sent 4, received 4, and lost 0 packets, which means our network is successfully working, our MQTT protocol is also successfully working, and all our IoT devices are connected to the smartphone, and we can operate through either using smartphone or tablet, which means our IoT device connections and the smart home network is also working successfully. So that's it for my discussion in the 7.2D task. Thank you for watching.